Hello everybody, welcome back in my channel. Today we are taking a closer look at a sleek little tool, the Kelingtone M.2 NVMe SSD Enclosure. So let's check it out first. Here is our SSD enclosure. If you're looking to turn your old NVMe drives into a high-speed portable storage, so this could be just what you need. In the box, I have got this aluminum alloy enclosure with this USB-C cable, and here's our enclosure. About its design, this is a clean and compact. The body is made up of full aluminum, which is not only great but also helps with a heat dissipation. It's very compact and very vegetable. On the back side, we have to insert an NVMe SSD, and here's a small rubber. Installing your SSD is super easy. Just unscrew the cover and put your M.2 NVMe drive and secure it with the included tools and screw it back. It's very easy to install. Once installed, you just connect it to your PC or Mac using the provided USB-C cable. At its speed, the enclosure delivered on its 10 Gbps and hitting read and write speeds of over 900 MBs depending on your SSD you use. That's more than fast enough for 4K video editing, backups and running virtual machines. So this is very simple and compact and budget friendly tool that you can use for SSD external. It will come around 1000 rupees. So this Kelingtone M.2 NVMe enclosure offers incredible values. It's fast, portable, well built and simple to use. So guys, if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews and drop a comment below if you want me to test it with different drives or operating systems. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.